hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk. Maraming salamat.
Malaking bagay po sa akin na nabigyan ako ng opportunity makatrabaho, of course, Star Cinema, ABS-CBN, and of course, Catherine Bernardo po sa proyekto mo. And we never really had any expectations of the first film. Na nagulat na lang po kami sa talagang na nakuha niya and naging performance niya sa Takilya. That movie, Hello Love Goodbye, gave me confidence and trust in myself po na kaya naman pala pag sinubukan, pag ginalingan, pag binigay ang buong puso. Yung love kasi dito Boy, parang it's a feeling, it's an emotion. And yung mga bagay po when it comes to decision making, ang laking factor po ng emotions doon. So when you're emotional and making decisions, sometimes the effect of that in your life is rather good or bad. You know, coming from all the things that I've experienced po in my years here in the showbiz industry, my years of being in this lifetime, sometimes hindi ko po mapigilan yung sarili ko, but then to sometimes overthink about it, think of it too much, or since dun sa uncertainty po na hindi ko pa mga nai-experience, parang hindi ko pa siya nag-grasp fully. Ano ba ako dito? Who am I in this parang situation? Parang aside from my mom dito ba, I think it's saying goodbye to my childhood po. Since kailangan ko pong magtrabaho sa murang edad, parang ang dami ko pong, I should say, hindi nagawa. Basically po, finishing school. Yung parang yun po yung isa sa mga sinakripisyo ko na hindi ko po siya pinagsisisihan do, but I think going back to it right now, I think that's one of the things na gusto kong magawa na hindi ko po nagawa because I had to do things first for security po ng pamilya. Yung meron po kami ni Kat ngayon dito Boy is I should say really deep, and since I got the chance to really know her now personally, ang dami ko pong nadi-discover sa kanya are similarities and differences in how we view life. And sobrang na-appreciate ko po yung mga bagay na ino-open up niya sa akin. Welcoming me to her life, and of course, the family. Na-meet ko na rin po yung family. Sobrang
Formal yung pamamalikan? I'm sorry. Formal ka bang ipinakilala sa pamilya?
Nakakapunta po ako sa bahay nila.
Okay. Gaano kadalas?
Pag kaya po ng oras, and
Haharot.
harot!
Torpe, madiskarte.
Torpe?
Pilyo, romantiko.
Romantic.
Bibili ka ng bulaklak, kanino mo ibibigay?
Ay! Ulo ko si mamaya dito.
Guilty or not guilty? Natulog ng hubad.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Nagpanggap na may sakit.
Guilty!
One person you want to say hello again.
My mom.
One person you want to say goodbye again.
No one.
One word, describe Catherine.
Maalaga.
One word, describe Alden Richards.
Maalaga din po.
One word, describe the two of you together.
Fun.
Akala ko nag-aalagaan.
Nag-aalagaan.
Lights on or lights off?
On po.
Happiness or chocolate?
Happiness always.
Best time for happiness.
All the time po.
Isang kulang sa buhay mo ngayon. Ano ito?
Pag-ibig. Siguro para masagot po yung question ng lahat ng taong nakapanood ng teaser at trailer, ano nga ba nangyari? Anong nangyari kay Joy? Ano nangyari kay Ethan? At ano nangyari sa kanilang dalawa? Ano yung mga bagay na nakaapekto sa kanilang buhay individually and as a couple? Kung bakit ba sila humantong sa ganong klaseng sitwasyon? Suking-suking na ako. Siyempre, every time naman I get the chance to talk to Tito Boy, it's always a breath of fresh air. And sobrang na-appreciate ko kung paano ni Tito Boy naaalagaan yung mga guests dito sa Fast Talk kapag nakakausap niya. And I feel home when I'm here.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you.